How to add on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Here, you can create a new group, contact, community, or broadcast on WhatsApp. Tap on New Contact. Here, fill in the details of the contact, such as their first name, last name, contact number, country, etc. You can also add an extra field if required, such as their nickname, department, company, email, etc. You can add a contact via a QR code by tapping on Add via QR code below. Then, scan the QR code from here. After you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Save. You have now successfully added a new contact on WhatsApp. You can repeat the same to add more contacts on WhatsApp. So, by following these steps, you can easily add on WhatsApp.